In preparation for a significant shift, even if Larry Feng, the master of Blackrock, is now investing more than $10 billion in Bitcoin, he intends to increase his investment. His grand symphony, which entails tokenizing all assets and converting them into $10 trillion, is currently coming into effect. The analyst Blackrock, Feng, and the boss of Bitcoin all participate in a strategy game in which they plan for the future with XRP as the primary concept. Please remember to follow, like, and share this post. Now, let's get started. To begin, some favorable news. The 22nd of March was the day that XRP became live. In spite of the fact that there are still 12 days left, 82.86% of the votes have already been cast, with 28 of the 35 votes already been cast. We are finished now. All that is left to do is wait for the date, which is the 22nd of March. Following that, Federal Reserve Chair Jeremy Powell discusses Basel III. I believe that we will see this through and be done with it before the end of this year. Make sure you are prepared for the new regulations. There is a possibility that this will mark the beginning of the new financial system and the global bridge currency, XRP. There is a next stop that we will travel to. Ripple's ambitious CBDC initiative on the XRP ledger has received participation from more than 8 countries. It is possible that this signifies the beginning of a transition toward a global reserve currency. The significance of the project is demonstrated by the fact that it has numerous partners, including Russia, Japan, Uruguay, Hong Kong, New Zealand, and the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Bringing the memory up to date is the next step that we need to do. At $17 per XRP in May 2024 or $27 per XRP in November 2024. The game of time is not one that I enjoy playing because it is similar to that of throwing darts while blindfolded, and it is difficult to predict when the market will open or close. Having said that, I am going to take a chance and utter this. An elongated triangle that is ascending, it is possible that the price will reach as high as $17 if it breaks out. I believe that Bitcoin has reached its all-time high and may now take a brief respite before continuing to grow. This is the logic behind my prediction. Due to this, the months of April through July continue to be the greatest period for me to purchase XRP, one that is yellow and points upward. It has the potential to reach $27, which is approximately 100 times what it was worth when it was only 28 cents. It is also possible that 99% of people are unaware of the fact that the year 2025 will be identified as the year of the electric bull ride. I believe that Bitcoin will reach a cycle high somewhere around $200,000, which is 10 times more than the cycle that occurred between 2017 and 2018. After that, it will see a number of pullbacks due to the fact that this system is losing leverage, with a pullback of 30% being the typical. It is therefore between the fourth quarter of 2024 and the first quarter of 2025 that I will have the opportunity to purchase XRP. If you are able to develop the ability to apply the dollar sell average technique to key price goals, you have the potential to become a millionaire within the next year, provided that the XRP army continues to remain stable. The next location that we will visit. Breaking news: a statement made by Jeremy Powell, the head of the Federal Reserve, today stated that the failure of banks will begin today. It would appear that he is well aware of what will take place after the conclusion of BTFP on March 11th. The coin known as XRP is prepared to enter the next era, which is known as crypto, which has already arrived. The following location to visit. An amount equivalent to $1.2 million or 18.4 million XRP was transferred from Binance to a bank that was not identified. This indicates that someone has purchased and is still holding on to it. What this indicates is that some people go while others remain. My opinion is that you are in a really excellent position. XRP's line of evidence in comparison to Bitcoin's. Consequently, you should update the chart because it appears that the rebound from the falling wedge will be quite significant. Bitcoin versus XRP is about to experience a significant increase, and it is asking for a rebound. This is something you've heard before, yet the XRP army continues to remain powerful. 2025 will mark the beginning of the bull run in the power market. There is a next stop that we will travel to. Right now, there is a possibility that the price of XRP may hit $27. Despite the fact that the law has partially ruled out XRP as not being a property, there has been a lot of discussion over the reasons why the price of XRP continues to trade below $1. The stock, on the other hand, has not been able to achieve significant gains despite the fact that the market is still going up. On March 10th, the cryptocurrency analysis Crypto.inx, which was originally known as Twitter, took a break to assess the potential trading behavior of XRP. Additionally, he stated that a talking will most likely provide a chance for investors, which will result in a significant increase in price. He believes that the asset has a high potential of earning significant gains, and he bases this belief on a variety of tactical signals. According to what he stated, the descending triangle and a breakout of this pattern have the potential to put the price of XRP around $17. As a result of Bitcoin's recent fall high, he came to the conclusion that a new cryptocurrency would have a brief decline before beginning to rise again. This is the rationale that underpins this remark. Between the months of April and July of 2024, this time frame is considered by many to be the ideal opportunity for XRP to generate profits. Not only did he mention the yellow ascending channel, but he also mentioned that XRP may reach $27. A breakout from this pattern, according to the expert, may push the price of XRP to $27, which would put it above a $1.4 trillion market cap, which is higher than the value of Bitcoin at the moment. The year 2025, he said with complete assurance, would be the year when the utility bull run for XRP would begin. The concept that Bitcoin will most certainly hit a cycle high of approximately 200,000 is the foundation upon which this claim is built. When compared to the prior run, this sum is 10 times higher. In the event that it breaks out, the price might go up to $27, which is approximately 100 times what it was originally at 28 cents. I am also aware that the majority of people, which is 99%, might not be aware that the year 2025 will be the year of the energy bull run. According to what he indicated, the window of opportunity for me to purchase XRP will be between the fourth quarter of 2024 and the first quarter of 2025. It is essential to bear in mind that even while the tactical indicators may indicate a probable bullish view, the most significant possibilities lay in the continuing legal disputes between Ripple and the Securities Exchange. This is something that should be kept in mind at all times. People's ways of speaking in the past have been significantly altered as a result of the case. However, as of this moment, there have been no significant developments related to the SEC that are anticipated to have an impact on the value of XRP. As a last point of interest, the Securities and Exchange Commission has until March 22nd to submit its brief on remedy, and Ripple has until April 2020 to do the same. Therefore, an analysis of the price of XRP, the value of XRP, was reported to be 62 cents at the time of the price, which represents a decrease of around 0.7% from the previous week. On the other hand, over the past 30 days, the token has enjoyed a significant increase of 18%. The next thing that Larry Fink believes is that Bitcoin exchange-traded funds are simply the beginning of a $10 trillion tokenization play on Wall Street. One autofill content, Larry Fink, it has been more than $10 billion that has been invested in the Wall Street major spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund since it was first introduced in January. Fink serves as the chief executive officer of Blackrock. Fink's ultimate objective, on the other hand, is to convert all of his financial holdings into tokens, which he has stated he will finish doing in the month of January. Wall Street is now working toward the goal of tokenizing financial assets such as stocks, bonds, and funds in order to facilitate their trading and storage on the blockchain. It follows that the value of assets that are located in the real world is increasing. One can easily understand why some individuals believe that tokenized commodities in the real world will be valued $10 trillion by the year 2030. Small players are going absolutely crazy over the most recent Bitcoin bull run, while large banks and other financial institutions are keeping a long-term perspective on the situation. There have been issues with technology, a lack of market infrastructure, and legal uncertainty which have prevented people from taking advantage of this opportunity up until this point. Nevertheless, it is possible that these things are about to change. Over the course of the past decade and a half, investment banks and other financial institutions have been conducting tests of blockchain technology in order to determine whether or not it has the potential to improve the efficiency of the capital market by eliminating the need for intermediaries, improving record keeping, and accelerating trade.